I know it's been a while since my last video, but as I'm sure many of you will know, this summer has been very dry. So I've been extremely busy, but now we've been blessed with some rain. I have some time to do some filming. And today we're going to be taking a look at the new Hsa 94T. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is already the best hedge trimmer in the world. How can they make it better? Well, it's very simple actually. It's basically the same machine as before in terms of shape, styling, the adjustable handle, the speeds, everything. But we now have the Stihl Smart Connector 2.0 and they have upgraded the motor. So it's as simple as that. So I'm just going to show this machine at work while I trim this beautiful Texas hedge. So let's go have some fun. A sec, there's something else I want to show you. I'll be right back. And what I wanted to show you is, if you have an old AR backpack battery, you can still use it with the new Hsa 94T. And yes, it is recommended that you wear ear defenders for this machine. Something else I want to show you. I'll be right back. You could also use it with your new ARL batteries. And as you can see, everything's rather moist. You can use it in the rain. Bring the camera in. Look at that. Beautiful finish. And I'm not hanging around. Obviously, as you can see, I can't cut a straight hedge to save my life. But this is why I like to use this hedge for demos. Because of all the curves and the waves, you can see the twisty handle in action. You can see that the umbilical doesn't get in the way. It is just a beaut piece of kit. And also, as I mentioned, this is the T version. There is an R version as well, which is for slightly chunkier, rougher hedges. This will tackle a rough bush, but this one is more designed for your nice, dense bush. And we all like a nice, neat bush, don't we? Okay, so you've seen it trimming some Texas, and now I'm going to show you trimming some Buxus, because this is where this thing really comes into its own. So let's get trimming. But the new design, Stihl Hsa 94T, still gets a fully charged gardener rating from me. Genuinely the best hedge trimmer on the market. Don't care what anybody says. I like the fact that you've got the umbilical and you can wear the weight on your back, and then, you know, still got the maneuverability. And what I like to do is hang over the hedges when I'm doing these box hedges, and if I had the battery in there, it'd be putting a lot of strain on me. All down to personal preference, so you don't have to listen to my opinion if you don't want to. Anyway, I've got hedges to cut. Bye.